Can garlic really strengthen your nails? Today, I'm going to follow along one of Rose Pearl's nail strengthener tutorials to test it out, see if it works for me, and I'm just curious, so let's go. Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the tutorial by Rose Pearl. Let's watch it together. So you need garlic and base coat, and then peel the garlic and chop it up. And then you take your base coat, any brand will work, and then put the chopped garlic in the base coat. Mix well and let sit for 2 to 3 days. Then she says to apply the nail strengthener on your nails. Then after that, she applies her nail growth serum. Should I try that one out too? I think my nails are a good length, but it says you could also use jojoba oil, which I do have, so that's good. So those are her nails 2 weeks later. Awesome! So I have here an empty finished top coat bottle. I've already cleaned it out with acetone. So we need like a half full bottle of base coat. So I'm going to pour some of my Such Clear base coat into the empty bottle to fill it about halfway. And now I have some garlic. Guys, I have a question for you. Do you mind the smell of garlic? I'd say that I don't mind it, but it is pretty strong. Comment your answer below. So I'm just mincing it up and then stuffing the pieces into the bottle. Let's give it a good shake and let sit for a few days. Alright, so to test this out, I'm first removing my nail polish, and I'm also going to patch up my pointer finger with some 5-second nail glue. And to hopefully further strengthen it, I'm going to do the teabag trick, which by the way doesn't really work all that well, but that's okay. So now this is what the garlic base coat mixture looks like. I'm applying it to my nail, and guys, just look how smooth that looks. I don't know if it's the garlic, but it just went on so smooth. Now I'm placing the tea bag in the wet base coat, and then I'm going to town layering some more on. Now let's apply this to all my other nails, but you know what? I want to experiment. In fact, I'm going to run 4 experiments, and it has to do with how can I use this strengthener with peel-off base coats? Because you all know how I love my peel-off base coats, but this is a regular base coat. Oh, by the way, I'm applying it under my nails, which is kind of fun. So I want to see which of these works better over my nail strengthener. The glue, which I demonstrated in the beginning of this video, or my UNT peel-off base coat. I'm applying the UNT one to the middle finger and the pinky, both of which already had a coat of the nail strengthener. And then with the glue, I'm applying it to the thumb and the ring finger, which also had the nail strengthener on it. Oh, I don't know guys, will this work? And just so I don't confuse myself out of my wits, I'm putting down all this info on a notepad. So the words on the bottom are the base. And that pointer has an X on it because I'm not using a peel-off base coat on that one. I don't want to mess with a broken nail. So we haven't done anything on this pretty hand yet. For these guys, moving on to the experiment 3, I'm applying the glue and UNT base coat first. So the UNT on the thumb and ring finger, and then the middle and pinky fingers will get the glue. And this pointer is disqualified from the experiments because it's tearing as well. So I'm going to give it a nice coat of my strengthener instead. So the results to all this mess is all documented on my notepad. And now to finish it all, I'm applying the nail strengthener on top of the peel-off stuff on this hand. This is all to see what will peel off best and what will be strengthened best. Alright, so I will update this disaster maybe in my next video, but I do like the garlic strengthener so far. The smell is kind of strong, but not as bad when I painted over them and top coated and all. I'm excited to see results, but Short Nails for Fun on Instagram has invited me to do a mani swap with her. I'm going to pick out 5 of her designs to try recreating, so hit the notification bell because that will be my next video. Also, if you want some more nail art inspiration, I have a huge playlist of nail art tutorials in the description, so feel free to go and check that out. Follow me on Instagram at thepolishedqueen15 for almost daily posts featuring nail art I do in between videos and swatches. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below. If you want, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post, which is every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. EST. Share this video with your fellow nail artists and comment below, what do you like to use to strengthen your nails? Just painting them strengthens them too. I look forward to seeing your comments and giving responses as well. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a magical day.